There were animals down there.
Mhm.
There was damp.
That end of the house was cold. This started getting a little bit cold. This is actually the master bedroom, but we made it into the office. But when we would sit here, it was a little cooler, just a couple degrees, but then you walk right through here and it instantly went 5 degrees cooler here. This whole end was just freezing.
Heard about encapsulating crawl spaces and basements for years on our Chicago radio station. The nice thing now is it's dry. Of course it's dry, but it's clean enough, it's dry enough. We feel comfortable enough now that we could put stuff down there to store.
This is warm. It feels just the same as the rest of the house. So that has been very nice.
I could see where there's going to be some savings in this.
Yeah.
To say it's going to be 5%, 10% savings, I don't know yet. If anybody has any concerns about the crawl space, I would say get it encapsulated. This just makes sense. And then we're finding out the heating benefit later on. It's like, oh, there's an added one. We weren't sure if that was going to happen or not. It's like, oh yes, it works. It works, and we're very pleased with the way it turned out.